Hello and welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore a simple yet essential Java program that finds the greatest and smallest numbers in a set of user input values. This will be done using a single-dimensional array, commonly known as an STA. This concept is crucial for beginners in Java, especially when learning about arrays, loops, and conditional logic. Let's begin with the problem statement. You are required to write a Java program that accepts 10 different numbers from the user. These numbers will be stored in a single-dimensional array. After storing them, the program should identify and display the smallest number and the greatest number from the array elements. This is a fundamental exercise in array manipulation and loop-based comparison. Here is the step-by-step algorithm to solve the problem. Step 1. Start the program. Step 2. Declare an integer array of size 10 to store the numbers. Step 3. Use a loop to take 10 inputs from the user and store them in the array. Step 4. Initialize two variables, min and max, with the first element of the array. Step 5. Start a loop from index 1 to 9. For each element, check if it is smaller than min. If yes, update min. Then check if it is greater than max. If yes, update max. Step 6. After the loop finishes, display both min and max. And finally, step 7. End the program. This part of the code is used for taking input. We first declare an array named numbers to store 10 integers. Then we create a scanner object to read user input. A for loop runs from 0 to 9, asking the user to enter 10 numbers one by one. Each input is stored in the corresponding index of the array. Now comes the logic to find the smallest and largest numbers. We initialize both min and max with the value of the first element in the array. Then we start a loop from index 1. For each number in the array, we check if it is smaller than the current min. If it is, we update min. Similarly, we check if it is greater than the current max. If it is, we update max. At the end of this loop, min holds the smallest number and max holds the greatest. Finally, we display the results. We use two print statements to show the greatest number and the smallest number, using the variables max and min. After that, we close the scanner object using the close method to free system resources. In this slide you will get the full program link which you can execute the entire program. Also, program link is available in the description box. Now let's take a look at the variables used in our program. The variable numbers is an integer array that holds the 10 values entered by the user. The variable I is an integer used as a loop counter during input and comparison. The variable min holds the smallest number found in the array, and max stores the greatest number. Finally, the variable sc is an object of the scanner class, which is used to accept input from the keyboard. Let's look at a sample output. Suppose the user enters the following 10 numbers: 25, 67, 13, 89, 45, 72, 31, 99, 8, and 54. The program will compare all the values and identify that the greatest number is 99 and the smallest number is 8. This confirms that the logic works as expected. Let's quickly recap what we've done. We created an array to store 10 numbers. We used a loop to accept input from the user. Then we applied a comparison logic to find the minimum and maximum values. And finally, we displayed the smallest and greatest numbers from the array. This program is an excellent introduction to array handling and loop-based logic in Java. Here are some key points to remember. Use arrays when you need to store multiple values of the same type. When comparing values in an array, always start your min and max comparisons with the first element. A single loop can efficiently find both the smallest and greatest values. And lastly, always close your input objects like the scanner to avoid memory leaks or resource locking. These practices will help you write clean and efficient Java programs. Thank you so much for watching this session on array using Java. I hope the explanation made the concept clearer and more enjoyable for you. All the important components, the question, algorithm, Java program, variable table, and output, are available in the description box below. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow programming tutorials. Every share and comment encourages more students to learn with clarity and confidence. Keep practicing, keep building, and remember, your journey to becoming a great programmer starts with mastering the basics. See you in the next session, and as always, happy coding!